Well, good morning guys, good afternoon, whenever you're seeing this video. So, we're gonna do a little mod on the Tacoma over there. So we're still on the zombie apocalypse here in Illinois. It's pretty quiet, nothing to do. We're gonna do the Auxbeam LED headlights for the Tacoma. We're gonna do low beams and we're gonna do high beams. So as you can see, this is the LED bulbs from Auxbeam. This is the part number F16-H11. They're supposed to be much brighter than the stock ones, which are, I hate them, they're yellow. So we're gonna compare them. When it gets dark, we're gonna compare them, how they perform, the light cut out, the beam and everything when it gets a little bit darker with the stock halogen ones. You can see this is my Tacoma. Pretty easy installation, so you probably already know how to do it, so we're not gonna show a lot of that. So this is the low beam, this is the high beam. You just gotta twist it and plug in the LED one over there. So we'll see how much we can show you, and then when it gets darker we'll see the difference. I'll be right back. Well, here we are, we're getting prepared. The only thing I would recommend, this little part came off really easy from the light bulbs, so I don't want them, once they're in there, I don't want them to be just rattling around if they ever come off again. And in fact, one of them was already off in the box. So we're gonna put a little bit of blue thread lock on the little cap, so to avoid this thing getting loose and then falling into the headlight. And then I know it's gonna be rattling in there and it's gonna drive me crazy. So we're just gonna put a little bit of blue. Maybe I should put red. Well, we'll see what happens with the blue one. I cannot do it with one hand. I need a stand or something. So we're gonna put this in here and we'll be right back. So here's the stock halogen bulb and the connector right there. So we're just gonna put some dielectric grease on the connector on the LED bulbs and then plug it into the connector over there. Well, looks like we're done. So we're gonna start the truck. Turn on the headlights, high beams. They are both of them. The fans are running. Here are the stock low beams. We're gonna compare them when we install the Auxbeam LED H11 headlights bulbs. This is high beams, low beams. See the cutoff line is like way over there. So we're gonna take the same route when we install the LED headlights. You can see the cutoff line is around the same as the stock ones. We're gonna use the house as a reference. You can see the cutoff is right at the bottom of the house, right there. So we're gonna compare it with the other LED headlights. You can see the cutoff at the house. Yes, again, I'm stopping in the same place, and the cutoff is at the exact same place at the bottom of the house. So I think it's pretty safe to say that these and the headlights and the OEM headlights, the beam is pretty much the same. It's just getting much better lights now. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, do all the good stuff. By the way, these are the Nissan custom. Please like, subscribe, comment. This is the